Alrighty, I wanted to see. I have bought some cheap dash cams before, back in the day, but lately I haven't. So I wanted to see if they've improved any. The biggest killer of dash cameras is heat. And if you get a good quality dash cam, like a Lukas for instance, they use military grade hardware and chips and stuff, and that lasts a lot longer. But how long will one of these cheap dash cams last? I've had them last 7 or 8 months. I've had them last a week. It just depended on the brand, and so I thought I would try another one. This was on sale at Wal Mart for $11, and I figured, why not for $11? Records in 720 instead of 1080, which is not that big a deal. Here are some of the specs if any of you are interested. Okay, and I bought a micro SD card. Hold on, let me reach over here and grab it to go with it. 32 gigabyte, blah blah blah. Alright, let's have a look and see what is in this box. You know, for $11, I figured, why not give it a shot? Okay, alright, I gotta stop the camera for a second while I pull this out of the box. Alright, we got it out now. Let's see there is the dash camera itself. This is the Pilot brand. What else is in the box here? My finger's hooked. There we go. There's going to be your windshield mount. Of course, it doesn't use a 1/4-inch mount. It just has this little snap-on thing. That could be bad. That could be good. A USB cord for plugging into your computer to move data or whatever. I suspect that will also act as a power cord if you wanted to do it that way. Here is the actual power cord that plugs into your cigarette lighter plug, and that's not a good thing. Do not return this product to the store. So if it goes bad, I can't take it back to Wally World. And the instruction manual. Let's set this aside. Take a look here for the instruction manual. See if there's anything good. Okay. Just a general layout, how things work. It's supposed to have night vision and stuff too. Oh good, pictures. For those of us that don't like to read, we've got pictures. Pictures tell 1,000. A picture replaces 1,000 words. Okay. Okay. And loop records. It's got a photo mode. Yada yada yada. Pretty much all the same stuff, and of course this is in different languages. Alright, so how's this little sucker going to work? Well, I can see already, based on the one LED, nighttime LED, that it's not going to do very well in the dark. But I don't know about the daylight. And it's pretty lightly built. So I'm going to hazard a guess and say, for $11, if it works out of the box, if it actually works out of the box, I'm going to say this thing will last 30 days or less. Let's see, what is today? You gotta look and see. Today is February the 16th. I will stick this in a vehicle tomorrow, and we will go start testing on February the 17th. This does not have GPS. It does not give you speed. All that this will give you is just video and audio from inside the vehicle, when it's running. That's it. So here we go. Okay, so I got close enough to this truck to make out the license plate number. The first 3 digits are actually letters. M as in Mike, C as in Charlie, M as in Mike. Now, I can't tell if the camera can make that out or not, but I think it's an unreal expectation to expect the camera to be able to make out things that you cannot make out with your own eyes. So I'm backing off now. Let's see how yet before I can't read the plate with my own eyes. Okay, so right there, I would have difficulty making that plate number. And I am about 3 car lengths from this truck. Okay, once again, the license plate number. The car in front of me, I'm probably 2 car lengths back, and the plate is easily visible to the naked eye. D as in David, M as in Mary, S as in Sierra. Move up here. See how close we've got to be before the camera gets it. I'll look at it on the screen when I get back and can get to my computer. This particular camera had a pretty narrow field of view. I usually like cameras with like 130 degrees field of view. I believe this one had was 120. And if the sound quality on that is not good, then I'm talking to myself right now. Alrighty then. So as you can see in this footage, by the way, when you see the camera skipping, that's something in my software that's messing up. It is not in the camera itself, which I have right there. That skipping doesn't happen when you look at it on the computer. So it's something in my editing software that's messing up. Speaking of messing up, I'm not very well focused here, am I? There we go. What do I think of this camera? I mean, for $11, it's better than nothing. But as you can see, it's not very well focused. It's not very clear. It doesn't give very good video. However, it does give video. So if you had nothing else, you know, it's better than nothing. It gets sound very well, so if you were to get stopped, and this is up on your windshield, you could grab it, spin it around, and record the police officer during your stop as well. Again, it's $11. It's just not that good quality. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you something else. I am a fan of the Mobius action cameras. And I'm going to tell you why. This one's dirty because what happens is the case gets hot and it gets a little sticky. So this has been bounced. I carry this to, if I get in somebody's vehicle that doesn't have a dash cam, I can throw this up. It's battery operated. It'll run off a battery for about 90 minutes. They also sell these on eBay and Amazon, already set up as dash cameras. Highly recommend these. I'm going to show you some video from this one, placed in the windshield right alongside the one you just saw. They are excellent cameras, and you can use them for multiple purposes. You've got this set up to use as a dash cam. You can also, use a magnet and put it on your hat like you see me do, or on your shoulder sometimes. They're excellent multi-purpose cameras. Battery life is only about 90 minutes. Make sure you get the wide angle lens, not the 90-degree lens. They'll refer to lens A or lens B. I believe lens B is the one you want. It's like 120 or 130 degree. This is an older Mobius and has a 140, and I love it. I have used this more than I can tell you. Anyhow, I'm going to post you some video from this just so you can see how it works as a dash cam. And this one, I'll probably use it as a giveaway or something here pretty quick. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Thanks for looking at this video, guys. And here is the Mobius as a dash cam. And by the way, I don't have black eyes. It's just the shadowing in here. I don't have all the lights on. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. And again, these are on sale. And if you don't have anything else and you just want a cheap dash camera, how long is it going to last? I don't know, but $11 at Wal Mart. Then you just got to buy the micro SD card that goes here on the side, and you're in business. Plug it in your cigarette lighter, and you're in business. So, without further ado, here is the Mobius dash cam footage. See about this plate number. Delta Zebra Sierra. First three letters of the license plate number. I am 2.5 car lengths back. I'm going to ease up now. Let's see what it looks like on camera.